Aray. Not cute. Don't sleep, boy. I'm sleeping nga eh. I'm sleepy and I'm hungry at the same time. Why? I'm eating balot actually last night. It's yummy. Come, visit Philippines. I want you to try balot. That's good for the body, you know. It can help your knee strong. And it can help you live long if you eat the chicks inside. Like the um, people in, where is it? I forgot. In Japan. People in Japan eating fetus. They preserve the fetus in 1 week or 2 weeks. They put in a jar and preserve a little while, and then they eat it because they believe that it can give them a long life. Did you hear that? The Yakuza, the Japanese people, the eating fetus, the baby inside the mother tummy. For example, I am pregnant, like 4 months or 5, and then I don't know if they're gonna buy the fetus inside the mother tummy. The they cut it and they're gonna eat it. There is research. I'm not lying to you because my boss told me about that. And of course, even my boss did not tell me about that yet before. I know that already because some people talking about that. And when my boss told me, okay, I confirmed that it's true. So now you learn something from me. You learn something from